was just gonna say, because I know somebody very close to me who just spent 8 years working for a local PD, and they don't. Once they're in there, I even remember a story being told. Okay, they had just hired a new police officer, and some of the other police officers was like, don't hire him. He was crazy in the academy, but they hired him anyway. He somehow passed the psych. He wasn't on the force a good 6 months when he was brought up on rape charges. Apparently pulled somebody over on a regular routine stop and raped the girl. Didn't count on her going to the hospital to report it, and when they reported it and called the police, this fool show up as the police officer to take the report.
No way.
Shut the front door.
Yes,
That's got to be terrifying as hell.
Yes, ma'am.
Shut the door. He has got to be the biggest cuckoo bird on the face of the earth. So not only did you do that, now you're going to try to intimidate the witness, the complaining witness? Is that what your intention was, or was he actually the one that was called?
He was the officer that was called to go to the hospital and make the report. Because, again, this happened while he was on duty. Exactly. He wasn't expecting her, I guess. He was expecting the intimidation, the act, or whatever, for her to keep silent.
Well, then when you can't say, no, I can't take that call. I'm the one who raped her. You can't say that, so you have to go.
Right.
You have to go and take the call. And so you show up and further traumatize this woman. Oh, Lord, it couldn't have been me, honey. I'd have turned that hospital upside down, inside out. They'd have been like, get her the psych. I'm like, no, get him the psych.
Yeah, she freaked out saying, she told at the time, no, he can't take it. It's him. Yeah.
Oh, my God. That has got to be.
So how did they do that? How did they handle that? Did they take him into custody? What did they do?
They did. They actually took him into custody. Actually, that case he was just sentenced on that case. He got some years. Like,
he should have.
15 years.
Here's the thing. I feel like this. When a police officer knowingly breaks the law by doing something like that and try to hide behind the shield, if I kill a police officer, I can get life or the death penalty. I think that if they do something like that intentionally like that, they should either be subjected to life or the death penalty as well. Because you are not only are you violating our trust as an officer, that's supposed to be protecting us, when you're actually preying on us and making victimizing us, right? You're stealing, because you on company time, still committing a crime. You have stolen time. You have stolen money. So there should be some money charges in there as well. What you laughing at? I'm dead flipping serious.
No, I agree with you.
If you're going to be a police officer who rapes, you need to be a police officer who rapes on your own damn time, not on my dime.
Hey, Miss